In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the depreciation report in Xero, whether you're managing the books for a small business or keeping tabs on your personal finances. Keeping track of depreciation is vital. It's how you account for the decrease in value of your assets over time. Let's walk through the process together to make sure you can easily access this important information. First, we're going to start on the main dashboard of your Xero account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top bar. This is your primary navigation tool within Xero. You should notice a menu option labeled Reporting. Click on it. This section is dedicated to all the financial reports that Xero can generate for you, offering a comprehensive view of your finances. After selecting Reporting, you'll be taken to a page where you can see a list of every conceivable report Xero has to offer. It's quite a handy resource, especially if you're looking for more than just depreciation information down the line. But for today's task, we need to head straight to the heart of the matter. Next, within that array of reports, you're going to look for something called the depreciation schedule. It's typically listed alphabetically, so that should help in finding it more quickly. The depreciation schedule is exactly what you need to evaluate the depreciation of your fixed assets. It provides insights into how much value your assets have lost over a specified period due to wear and tear, obsolescence, or other factors. Once you've located depreciation schedule, go ahead and click on it. This action prompts Xero to run a detailed report on the depreciation of any fixed assets you've recorded in your account. If all assets have been correctly logged within the system, this report will serve as a powerful tool, not only in understanding your current asset valuation, but also in planning for future asset purchases or sales. Keeping this report up to date and easily accessible ensures that all depreciation is accounted for, which is crucial for accurate financial statements and decision making. And that's it. The process is quite straightforward. Just a few clicks, and you have a detailed overview of how your assets are depreciating over time. Remember, regularly reviewing the depreciation schedule can give you deeper insight into your asset management and financial health, allowing for more informed strategic planning. Thank you for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide has made accessing your depreciation report in Xero clear and simple. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate and optimize your Xero experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And happy accounting!